Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connection. Now select Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then you need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair in it. Now we need to wait again, but this time for this device to accept our connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!